Hello, Facebook, YouTube. We got here a GMC Acadia. We're replacing this bad boy here, the starter. That's the old one right there. We already took it off and compared with the new one, and everything is right. Customer got the right part. So we got here the Acadia. We took off part of the, well, not part of. We have to remove the catalytic converter off. We have to remove the heat shield, this little vacuum pump here, and actually from down here we got that's the exhaust. That's the catalytic converter right there. We move it to the side. Up there, where the little hole is, there is where the starter goes. The starter where it connects to the flywheel. So we had to remove. See the catalytic converter got three screws on top, two on the bottom. Kind of tricky to get to it, and it's pretty really tight space in here. So basically, there is some I guess there is some videos on YouTube that shows you how to do it. Uh, but if you're a pro, I think you can do it yourself. Uh, but it's kind of tight. It's kind of tight job. So you need some tools. We got all the equipment here. We got the compressor. We got the gun. Uh, got the jack. Everything to do this job uh, the right way on the first time. So here we are working on this starter. We're about to put it back on there. The starter is making a horrible noise, and basically we right here replacing it. So give us a call, 832-618-7291 for more info, or if you need a job like this, you can give us a call and we can come and do the job at your place. Thanks.